Hi, and welcome to this My Dog Tag video on military templates. These templates are designed to make it easy for you to create dog tags accurate to the branch of service and era of issue. Our templates will guide you in the information that was typical for that era, as well as format that information on the dog tag itself. The templates take care of all of the advanced formatting adjustments, making it very simple to use. We have templates for current issue, World War II, Vietnam, and Korea, which you can find on our military category page. We will continue to add to the available templates to meet your needs. As an example, I'm going to select the World War II dog tags for the period 1943 to 1944. This will take us to the product page where there's information about the dog tags and images and related products. You can either scroll down or click on the red button to take us directly to the template. During World War II, the information on dog tags changed a number of times. The major change with this particular template was the removal of contact information for the soldier's next of kin. Each template has a series of formatted fields. Some fields contain sample information which has a gray font to illustrate what you should put there. You will fill these in by typing. Other fields, such as the blood type, are drop-down selections. If you do not replace the sample text, that field will be left blank when you update your dog tags. In this template, we'll provide last name, first name, middle initial, Army service number, the year of tetanus immunization, the toxoid injection, blood type, and religion. A few notes on some of the information for dog tags from World War II. Blood type does not have a plus or minus factor, as this had not been discovered at that time. Choice of religion was limited to Catholic, Protestant, Hebrew, or no preference. Only the initial letter of the religion is displayed on the dog tag, and if you select no preference, it will be left blank on the tag. We're now going to complete this template for Mr. Smith. It does not matter if you use uppercase or lowercase when you're entering, the form will automatically convert it for you. We're going to select a year of tetanus immunization of 41 and the toxoid injection 42, which was typically a year apart. Choose our blood type and our religion, and when we're done, we will click on the blue Make and Buy button. This will take us to the order page. On the order page, we can preview what our dog tags will look like. We can see that we've got our tag for John A. Smith with his service number, tetanus and toxoid injection years, blood type, and religion. On the order page, we can further customize the dog tag if we have additional information that we want to put on it to get a different result from the template. You have access to the full 5 fields for the tag, as well as you can scroll down and change your tag entirely. I hope you find this video useful, and thank you for watching.